Now let's look at an easy and an interesting method to find squares. The prerequisite here is, if you know squares of numbers up to 25, you can easily extend it up to from 25 to 75, then 75 to 125, like that. So within the next 2-3 minutes, all of you will be knowing all the squares of numbers at least up to 100, and without even memorizing it, without even practicing it. So let's see that interesting method. So assuming that you know squares of numbers up to 25, how do we extend it from 25 to 75? Method is very simple. Listen carefully. So to find squares of numbers between 25 and 75, let's take an example here. If you want to find out, let's say 41 square, what is that we are supposed to do? So to find 41 square, method is as easy as this. Two very simple steps. First step is, take the difference from 25 and write as the first two digits, that's 16. Then take the difference from 50, which is 9, and square of that you write as the last two digits, which is 81. So it's simple, right? You can do it in seconds. 1681 will be 41. 41 square will be 1681. Now you can do it really fast, but now let me help you understand what this method is all about, right? So that all of you get it completely. That is, to show this once more, find 41 square, take the difference from 25, that is 41 minus 25, so we get 16. 16 you write as the first two digits. Now, take the difference from 50, which is 50 minus 41 or 41 minus 50, it doesn't matter. 50 minus 41, you get 9. Square of that particular number, what is 9 square? 81, right, as the last two digits. So if you just look at it itself, you will understand the method. Very simple. Once more, first step is, take the difference from 25, which is 16 here. When I say difference from 25, you just simply take 41 minus 25. So you get 16 as the first two digits. Then take the difference from 50, which is 50 minus 41, equal to 9. Square of that number, what is 9 square? So that's a prerequisite, right? You should be knowing squares of numbers up to 25. If you can easily find squares of numbers up to 100, and you don't need to memorize at all. So 9 square, you get 81. That will be the last two digits. So you will understand this with one more example. Let me take one more number here. To find 43 square, what we need to do is, take the difference from 25, that is 43 minus 25. So you get 18 as the first two digits. Then take the difference from 50. Now what is the difference from 50? 50 minus 43 is 7. You take square of that. So you get 49 as the last two digits. So what is 43 square? 18, 49. Very simple, right? This is the easiest method for writing down squares, and using which I'm sure by this time, if you understand this method, all of you know all the squares of numbers up to 75 square. By extending this method, one more example if you want to see. To find 54 square, take the difference from 25, that is 54 minus 25. We get 29 as the first two digits. Then take the difference from 50, which is 54 minus 50. So you get 4. Square of that, you write the last two digits as 16. So 29